Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a ninja. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen. At the beginning you have to draw an oval. Let's draw his eyes. Now I'm drawing his head. Let's draw his hands. Here's his legs. Let's draw his belt. Now I'm drawing his sword. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using the same black pen to color all over his body. To color the handle of the sword, I'm using my yellow pen. To color his belt, I'm using my red pen. To color the sword, I'm using my pencil. I'm blending the color with the help of my fingertip. In the exposed part of his face, I'm using my pale orange pencil. My drawing is done. He is looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.